Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.5, Problem 22. This is Section 3.5, Problem 22. It says a room has dimensions 21 feet long and 16 feet wide. You're interested in putting a new coat of polyurethane on the floor. If a 1-gallon pail of polyurethane can cover 200 square feet, how many pails of polyurethane will you need to buy? This is a practical sort of a question. So, that's a big room, 21 feet long, 16 feet wide. You have to find out how many square feet you have in the room. And you do that by multiplying length times width, if you remember. So, 21 times 16. Again, we're multiplying to get the total area of the room, and this will give it to us in square feet. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Now, that takes care of the 6. For the 1, I want to start with a 0, then multiply through the 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. And then I can add those results together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 1 plus 2, another 3. So that big room has 336 square feet of surface area. Now, that's not what the question asks. The question doesn't ask how big is the room. I mean, it's something you need to figure out. The question asks how many pails of polyurethane are you going to have to buy? Well, they come in 1-gallon pails. 1 pail of polyurethane covers 200 square feet. So we need to divide, 200 divides into 336. You don't need that exact of an answer because you can't buy a partial can of polyurethane. You're going to buy 1 can, 2 cans, 3 cans, 4 cans. You can't buy 1.88 cans of polyurethane. So 1 can won't do it. Cover 200 square feet, and there's a lot left undone. A second can, though, takes you up to 400 square feet, which is a little more than enough. So you don't really have to do out the division. The answer is 2 pails of polyurethane. How many pails do you have to buy? You have to buy 2 pails.